Watch just one ad and you will earn $5. If it's 2 ads, you will make about $10. Watch 10 ads and you will get paid $50 over and over again. So, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to this website that we are going to be using for this, which is called Get Paid To. You can just type its name on Google search bar and then click the first link. So, this is how the website should look like. Please watch the video till the end without skipping, because I will be showing you step by step. Now what I'm going to be doing is show you how the website works and how to earn $6 just for watching an ad. And later I'm also going to show you how to automate the work so you can earn from other people watching those ads. Now, as you can see here, if you go to Cash Out, you can see that they have different payment methods. For example, you can withdraw your money using PayPal or Skrill, crypto and bank account. The minimum you can withdraw is only 50 cents, which you can easily make. Now if you are from the US or the UK, you can also choose to get paid by Amazon gift cards. But you don't have to worry about all these for now. You can just use PayPal, it's the easiest. If you don't have one, just head over to paypal.com and you can easily create an account there. It's completely free and also works worldwide. Now let's go back to the website, and the first thing you want to do obviously is creating your account, which is very easy to do. Just hit where it says join free today and it's going to take you to this page where you should fill out your own information, like your name and your email and stuff like that. Very easy, but if you have any question about it, just let me know in the comments. Once you do that and verify your email, just log in with your email and password and this is how the homepage will look like. Now, Get Paid To has different ways of earning money online, but one of them is actually watching ads. Like I said, you will see here different ways to make money from this website. But I don't want you to get lost and get confused. So, our focus today will be only earning money by watching ads. As you can see here, we have different featured offers where you can earn points, 1050 points, 210 points, 74 points, etc. There are unlimited offers here. You can also see what other people are earning from the website recently. But there's a special area on this site that's going to get you paid to watch ads, and that's where you can make the most amount of money. So, what you want to do is go here where it says earn points and then go to quick points. Now select this option where it says click on Earls to earn easy points. It will then take you to this page. Now basically what you will have to do is click this green button where it says view and then watch a quick ad, and points will start adding to your account that you can then transfer to money. So, for example, this one will earn you 10 points, this 20 points, 7 and so on. And as you can see here, every 24 hours there will be new ads that you can watch and earn points from. Also, you don't have to download anything, you just have to watch ads and that's it. Now to watch all of these ads here, it won't take you something more than 15 to 25 minutes. Now let's move to the next part of the video, which is referrals, where I will show you how you can get paid by other people actually clicking these buttons and watching the ads, and then you receive a portion of their earnings. This is the most important part, and this is actually how I personally also make money with this website. But before we do that, let me real quick show you another place where you can also earn points by just watching ads. So you want to go here and this time select featured offers. Now you can find here different types of offers, but sometimes you can also find ads that you can watch. So now let's go back to the homepage to show you how referrals work. If you scroll down here you will see that they have a referral program. Now just hit this orange box where it says see your referrals and it will then take you to this page. As you can see it says refer and get paid. Invite your friends and tell them how easy it is to earn online. Every person that you invite to the website, you will earn 15% commission from their earnings. So, for example, if someone earns $100, you will get $15, if someone earns $1,000, you will get $150 and so on. You literally have to do no work except for inviting them to the website. Now I'll give you my own strategy of how I generate thousands of referrals every single day for completely free. You can start doing it today. So, the first thing you want to do is click here to copy your referral link. Now before we continue, if you're still watching, let me know what country you're from. So, after you copy the link, the next thing you want to do is go to Facebook and then go to the search bar and type in Make Money Online. Now scroll down and select groups and then choose public groups, as those will let you join without having to wait for being accepted. Now as you can see there is many of these Make Money Online groups. Let's just click on one of these groups. Let's say this one for example. And now what you want to do first is you want to make sure that the group has a lot of members. The bigger the group is, the better it's going to be, and you also want to make sure that there is good engagement on the group. So, this one for example is doing great. It has a lot of people engaging, commenting and liking. But you don't want to just spam your link here like what other people are doing. What you want to do is go to create a post and then say something like, I recently discovered a brand new website that lets you earn money just by watching ads. And then say something like, type info if you want me to send you details. But this is just an example. Of course, you can also say something else similar and make it even more interesting. This strategy is very powerful. Once they commented on your post, you can then send them your referral link on private. What you can also do is include an image on your post with proof of payment, just like what other people are doing here. That's going to get you even more engagement and of course more people to join from your link, which will make you more money. That's how you bring people to your referral link in a tricky way. Instead of just spamming your referral link on groups, which will just get you banned from the group, this was the easiest way of getting referrals. Also, here is another important tip for you. Make sure that you also follow up with people when you message them and answer all their questions, just to make sure that they know how to use the website and everything. There's also another great way that I like more, which got me even more results than Facebook, and that is Quora.com. Now people come here to Quora to ask questions in different topics, and this is even perfect for what we are doing here, as it's all about answering people's questions. That's exactly what we will be doing. Basically, what you want to do is type in the search bar "make money online," and then it will show you a lot of different questions of people asking how to make money online. Now all you will have to do is keep answering everyone's question and let them know about the website, including your referral link as well in your answers. But like I told you before, don't just spam links without giving people a good answer to their questions. If you do that, you may just get your account terminated. Always try to give some value in your answers first and then include your referral link. So here you guys have it. But just remember that the more questions you answer and the more Facebook posts you make, the more chance you have to make more money. So, make sure you do it as many times as you can. All of these methods I showed you in this video are completely free. You don't have to spend a dime. It's also working worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live now. If you don't understand something from this video, just watch the video again to get better understanding, or just comment. I will answer your queries. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please let me know which country you're watching this video from so I can create more content for you and others in your country. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.